Okay, so we finished adding all of the unique features that we need to add to our end cap front part. And so let's flip over to the end cap back. Okay, and so we need to start adding the unique features for end cap back. And let's take a look at what those features are. Um, we do have a threaded hole at the top here that we'll add, and this one actually goes down a little further. And then there is a hole on the side here. Um, and actually there's a hole just like it, exactly like it on the opposite side. And then there is this hole that goes all the way through, which is, you see this recessed part here. This is actually a counterbore hole. Okay. So let's start with that feature. Let's add that feature first, the counterbore hole. Okay. So we'll go to select the hole feature, and then this time we want to go from concentric, and then we want to choose this surface here, select, and then we remember once you're using concentric, you select the surface or the plane, and then you want to select the edge. Okay, so now it's in the exact center, and let's make sure that instead of it being this drilled hole, we want to use a counterbore hole. Okay, so when you choose counterbore, the first thing you want to do is select how wide is the counterbore going to be, this outside part. And that's what we want, is we want that to be 26. Okay. Then how far do you want the counterbore to sit? How deep do you want it to be? We want that depth to be 6 millimeters. And then what's the diameter of the drilled part of the hole? We want that diameter to be 10. Okay, so 26, 6, and 10. And then make sure this says through all, and go ahead and click OK. And there is our counterbore hole. Let me spin this back around the right way. And it goes all the way through the back of our part. Okay? There you go. And just to make sure that's exactly what we want. Make sure you save your work, and now we're ready to move on.